You have got to try this absolutely refreshing carrot and ginger juice. There are tons of health benefits to this juice, and if you are someone who just loves a nice fresh juice, then this is one for you. So starting off with the carrot and the ginger, I've got 3 fairly large carrots and I'm just going to peel them. And then I've got about 2 inches of ginger and I'm peeling that as well. Then we're just going to chop them up. Now these are all going to go into our blender later on. So we're chopping it up just to make life easier for the blender when it gets to work. So now I'm just adding my carrot and my ginger into the blender. You also want to add some water until your vegetables are completely covered. And then you just want to blend it down. You want to blend it until it's completely smooth. So you want to leave this doing its thing for at least a couple of minutes. Once that's done, I take it off and I strain it into a bowl to get rid of all the pulp. Don't forget to get a large spoon to press into the pulp because there's more juice in that pulp than you would imagine. Now to give it some sweetness, I add the juice of 1 lime. I add this over my strainer so that we can capture any seeds. And I also add in about half a cup of sugar, and then you just want to mix this fully into the drink. Pour it into a pitcher, keep it in your fridge, ready and waiting to be served later on. Now this is a drink that's going to be perfect for the upcoming summer weather. For those who maybe don't like alcohol, don't like alcoholic punches, this is a nice one to be served on a hot day at a barbecue. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.